newspaper on Ziploc became moist and there was a hole inside the sunblock. In the letter B, the sunblock is changed and there are some bubbles and holes. 9 to 11 a.m. A. The inside of Ziploc became moist. B. Sunscreen moist and it formed bubbles.
In 1 to 3 p.m. A. The newspaper moist and the newspaper became grayish. And letter B. The newspaper moist inside the Ziploc.
My skin feels so hydrated.
Sunscreen contains chemical ingredients that absorb UV radiation and convert it to heat. It provides a lightweight feel and it is usually invisible skin on the skin.
Sunblocks contain physical blockers like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide that sits on the skin surface to reflect UV rays. It's typically more visible but effective for sensitive skins.
Sunscreen and sunblock are essential for protecting your skin from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet or UV radiation. Here's why they are important. It protects against skin cancer, prevents sunburn, slows premature aging, reduces skin damage, and maintains skin health. Now it's time to explain how we use or apply them. Apply sunblock or sunscreen every day regardless of the weather as UV rays penetrate the clouds. Reapply every 2 hours especially after swimming, sweating, or towel drying. By incorporating sun protection into your daily routine, it protects your skin from both quick damage like sunburn and long-lasting harm.